Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can redeem your Fortnite V-Bucks gift card. Alright, so it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Epic Games on your browser. Once you search for Epic Games, click on the first link over here. It's going to bring you to the official website of Epic Games. Now Fortnite is linked with Epic Games, so if you redeem your V-Bucks card on your Epic Games account, it's going to be loaded on your Fortnite account automatically. Alright, so don't worry about it. Once you're in Epic Games and log in into your Epic Games account, your username is going to be shown at the top right corner over here. So wait for some time until the website loads up. Once it loads up, your username is going to be shown over here if you have logged in into your account. Click on your username, click on redeem code, and enter your gift card's code over here. Once you enter your gift card's code, click on redeem, and if it is correct, then basically your Fortnite V-Bucks gift card will be redeemed on your account, and you can go on your Fortnite account and then use your V-Buck to do whatever you want. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can redeem your Fortnite V-Bucks gift card. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide, and bye bye.